Kirang bat kithe ranar nakaleng ka relum khasi jantia bat garo klapoi bane simanta hagalumpung ranar kabalatip kum ka Meghalaya Invitation Weightlifting Tournament kabalapan long da ka Ribhoi Weightlifting Association harangkat ka jingetrelang bat ka Meghalaya Weightlifting Association ya kabalapan long ha indoor stadium ha umlang kadai kani ka jingyakop kelas dang nin gasni ka khatwi trigu yayong bat lapan kut bat menta gasni da ka jingwan bane simanta shirhem da kirang bat kithe na ka jala Meghalaya ha ka ba ki ba job ha gini ki jingla kai klayo ban khuri ki takma harakat bat ka sernon ha kani gasni lawan ban sakhilang do MP ka Shillong parliamentary seat u Dr. Ricky Eje Syngkon kumu kongsan ha ka jingye don rangkat u ba John Kharshing president ka MSOA u ba MB Tongper u ADC ka Ribhoi district u ba Donald Rambai u president ka Meghalaya Weightlifting Association u ba Anthony Karnayor u president ka Ribhoi Weightlifting Association lembat ki we ki record bat ki nang yashim banta
Yeah. Go. Myself witness, they have a lot of future ahead of them. And with the support that we are having in our state, the country, and together with the support of people like Jan, people like Robert, I'm sure there's a lot of hope for the future of our young athlete, our young weightlifters. So thank you, Ribhoi Weightlifting Association. I've taken the responsibility of organizing this program in collaboration with the Meghalaya Weightlifting Association, with the support of Sportability, right? The Sportality. We have Vikram Malik here, the director. Thank you so much for being part of this event. And I also express my gratitude to MB Tongper, the director of the Directorate of Mineral Resources, Government of Meghalaya, the technical official who come all the way from Assam, the judges, and everyone involved in making this event a success. Well, when I was told by Brother Manu to be part of this program, for me, since I became an MP, I've been invited to all kinds of programs. And this is one such program which I'm totally new. Well, sport and put down in writing so that I will not, waver here and there. So, first and foremost, well, like I said, it is indeed an absolute honor and privilege for me to be here, not just to witness this, the great lifters, but also be part of this, program as a chief guest for this. I'm sure it is indeed a remarkable weightlifting competition, and I would say that today is not just a celebration of strength, but of discipline, of determination, of coordination, and the unwavering spirit of our athletes. Now to all the participants, men, women, I also saw some young ones. You, each one of you are the heart of this great event. Well, the sport of weightlifting is not merely lifting weights. I believe it's also about lifting your own limits. And we saw today one of the athletes whose body weight is 55 kgs and lifting, I think, 80 kgs. So it's not just about lifting weights, it's about lifting our own limits, mentally, physically, and even emotionally. So the level of discipline that you as an athlete you follow, the coordination between your mind and your body, the commitment to your training, and the inner strength that you show on this platform, I would say, and all of us would agree, it is truly commendable. You all are champions in your own right, regardless of the results. You all are champions. Therefore, I would say, I would also take this opportunity to say to the organizers, a heartfelt thanks to all the organizers who have provided such a platform to lifters to showcase their talent. Well, I would say that events like these are the stepping stones for the future, not just sports in our state, but also with this great nation of ours. To the organizers, your efforts in putting together this competition is not just, I would say, logistical achievement, but a service to the sport spirit of this great nation of ours.